Ever wish ChatGPT could just sound like you? Good news, you don't need coding, plugins, or advanced tools. Today, I'll show you how to train AI to mimic your voice using prompt techniques anyone can apply. It's a game changer for writers, marketers, solopreneurs, and even students. Whether you're sending emails, creating content, or building a brand, tone is everything. But AI defaults to generic unless you teach it your style. Most people skip this and end up sounding like a corporate FAQ. Let's fix that. Step 1. Use a voice mimic prompt. Prompt: analyze the tone, structure, and vocabulary of the following paragraph. Then write 3 sentences in the same style. Paste your writing sample here. What it does: learns sentence rhythm, adopts your tone, friendly, formal, sarcastic, etc. Mimics your vocabulary. Real-world uses: creators, turn one witty post into 10 more. Support reps, draft helpful replies in your style. Teachers, get classroom-friendly explanations. Step 2. Use style tags. Instead of write a summary, use a warm, confident, motivational tone. No jargon, short sentences, sound like someone who wants to help. Or stack it. You're a Gen Z creator, plus productivity coach, plus friendly professor. Power combo. Combine this with persona stack, plus structured output for consistency and clarity. Let's look at real prompts you can try. For professionals, analyze my writing below, then reply to this email in the same tone. Use it for job hunting, networking, cold outreach. For students, write my essay conclusion in the same tone as this intro paragraph. For creators, match this YouTube script tone. Add humor and casual asides. Bonus: build a personal prompt template. Prompt: you are my writing assistant. My tone is casual, optimistic, and sharp. I avoid fluff. Always include a bold statement in the first line. Sign off with a call to action. Save it, reuse it, adapt it. Blogs, product descriptions, emails, course content. You don't need to be a great writer. You just need to be a great prompt writer. Try this. Take your last caption, email, or blog. Paste it into ChatGPT. Ask it to match your tone. Then generate 3 new posts. Share your favorite tone-matched result in the comments. Next episode: how to prompt AI to think like a strategist, not just a text generator. Prompt engineering isn't about tricking AI. It's about training it to think like you.